Hi friends, welcome to Dr. Ashish Conceptuals. Are you guys are often confused with the terms gene, cistron, monocistronic and polycistronic? Let's solve this confusion in this video. Before we are going to the topic proper, let's roll the title of our new initiative DOPA. From my previous videos, you must have been understood that what is DOPA. DOPA is a mobile app that is run by doctors. Like today's topic, I will be teaching the entire genetics and human physiology and everything related to human in DOPA. Wait for the app to release and you will be having an amazing opportunity to learn everything from DOPA. So let's go to our topic proper, that is gene, cistron, monocistronic and polycistronic arrangements. How do we learn this thing? For that thing, let's take an very familiar example, that is your lacoperon. Actually, I am not discussing the lacoperon in this video. Lacoperon will be discussed in some other videos. Today, I am using this lacoperon to explain our concepts. Let's see what happens in the lacoperon in a simple glance. So you know, whenever that inducer, what is the inducer in case of the lacoperon? The lac for lactose. When the lactose is present, what is happening? Lactose is present. This sequence, you can see from that EZYA, this sequence of the DNA, this is the DNA sequence which is shown here, that will be converted into an mRNA. Can you see? That will be converted into mRNA, that is a lac mRNA will be produced. So my question is that, what will you call this sequence of the DNA? What will you call that sequence of the DNA here? This sequence of the DNA that will be producing that lac mRNA, we have to know this sequence of the DNA that is known as a gene here, that is known as a gene. So tell me that answer. What do you mean by gene? Gene is a sequence of DNA that will be producing an mRNA. You can see that there are some other genes, there are some other areas are there. You can see there is an operator region, there is a promoter region, and these areas that will not be counted as a gene. Why that is not counted as a gene? You can see that from the operator and from the promoter there is no mRNA produced. So we can call a sequence of DNA as a gene only if that is converting into an mRNA. I hope that point is very clear. So let's go to that further detail. What is a cistron? You can see that here in this area, I will be marking this area here. Can you see? Which I am marking is the Z area here. Only in that gene, I am marking the Z only here. What that Z will be doing, you can see from that Z portion, there is the one protein that is known as a beta galactosidase enzyme will be producing. Can you see? The Z area will be producing a beta galactosidase enzyme. So what will you call this portion or that Z here? So you know the Z is a sequence of DNA. Z is a sequence of DNA that is coding for one protein. That is coding for one protein, that is beta galactosidase. So what will you call for the Z? You have to know the Z is known as a cistron. The Z is known as a cistron. Why the Z is known as a cistron? Z is a sequence of DNA that will be coding for a protein. So what is the difference between a gene and a cistron? Let's write down that thing here. So you have to know the gene is a sequence. Gene is a sequence of DNA. Also the cistron is also a sequence of DNA. Sequence. But what is the difference here? The gene, the sequence of DNA, that will be coding for a mRNA. If it is producing an mRNA, that is known as a gene. And if the sequence of DNA, that will be coding for a protein, that is known as a cistron. Are you understanding? I hope it is very clear for you. So gene is a sequence of DNA that will be coding for an mRNA, and the cistron is a sequence of DNA that will be coding for a protein. So just into our lacoperon itself and tell me the answer of that questions here. So tell me that how many genes are there in the lacoperon? How many genes are there in the lacoperon? You can see in the lacoperon, you can see there are two mRNAs are produced. Can you see? One repressor mRNA and one lac mRNA. Two mRNAs are produced, and repressor mRNA is produced from this I gene. Can you see? This I gene is producing a repressor mRNA, and this ZYA region is producing the lac mRNA. So tell me that how many genes are there in the lacoperon? You can see there are two mRNA, one mRNA, two mRNA. So the number of genes is equal to 2. The number of genes is equal to 2. So the same question I am going to ask that how many cistrons are there? How many cistrons are there in this lacoperon? So see that here you can see the repressor mRNA that is producing only one protein, that is the repressor protein, you know, and that lac mRNA, it will be producing 1, 2, 3 proteins. Can you see? So how many proteins are producing? Total 4 proteins are producing. So each protein coding area, that is known as a cistrone. So what is the number of cistrones here? So the number of cistrone, that will be equal to 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 proteins are producing. Are you understanding this thing? I hope it is very clear what is gene and what is cistrone. Now let's discuss the other two terms, what is monocistronic and what is polycistronic. As by the name indicate, you know, monocistronic means only one cistrone and polycistronic means that is many cistrones. So what it is indicating, you know, that is a gene means that is an area which is producing an mRNA, and mRNA production from a DNA, that is known as transcription. I have discussed the transcription in a separate video. If you haven't watched that thing, go and watch that video here. So I'm telling about the transcription here. You know, the transcription will be starting from a promoter and it will be having a structural gene and it will be ending by a terminator here. For example, if I am taking this example of the lac-operon here, you can see the lac-operon promoter is situated here. This is the promoter, and where is the terminator of the lac-operon will be situated? That is only after the A gene here. You can see that the A region here. And you can see that if the transcription is starting, the transcription will be from the promoter to terminator. It will be going and only up to this one, and that will be producing this mRNA will be producing. So that this region, that is known as a gene. We have discussed that thing, that is known as a gene here. So my question is that from this mRNA, how many proteins are produced? We have seen that will be producing 3 different proteins, that is the beta-galactosidase, permease and transacetylase. 3 different proteins or 3 different enzymes are produced from this region here. So that in this gene, how many cistrones are seen? I am telling this one gene will be having 3 cistrone. So this is a polycistronic arrangement. So this is a polycistronic arrangement. You can see one single gene is having 3 different cistrons. So this is a polycistronic arrangement. What is the advantage or what is the disadvantage of the system? Just imagine that if the bacteria, you know, the lac-operon is working in a bacteria which can ferment the lactose, and if the bacteria needs only one enzyme at a time, just imagine if the bacteria needs only the beta-galactosidase and the bacteria is having the proper supply of the other 2 enzymes and we need only that beta-galactosidase enzyme. Can the bacteria produce only this enzyme? Actually, no. Why? When the bacteria try to transcript this Z gene, there is no terminator after the Z gene. Where is the terminator? Terminator is only at the end of the A region here. So the after Z, it will be transcribing the Y and it will be transcribed in the A also. So what is happening there? There is some energy loss. Why? Because the bacteria needs only the Z, but we have to, or bacteria have to transcribe the Y and A also. So what will be occurring? There will be energy misuse will be occurring, energy misuse, because we need only this thing, but bacteria cannot produce this thing alone. What beta-galactosidase alone, bacteria have to produce everything together there. So what happened? The polycistronic arrangement, you have to see the polycistronic arrangement is having certain disadvantage. The polycistronic arrangement is having some disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? There is some energy misuse will be occurring. So how the disadvantage is solved? You have to know the bacteria is a prokaryotic organism. When it is coming to a eukaryotic organism, that is the next advancement in that level of a cell from the prokaryotic to eukaryotic. When it is coming into the eukaryotic, what is happening? Each cistrone will be followed by a promoter and a terminator. So what happens there? So suppose this lac-operon was there in a eukaryote, what will happen? There will be a promoter. After that, then the Z region, then there will be a terminator. And after that, there will be a promoter will be there, then the Y region, then there will be a terminator. And there will be a promoter will be there, then the A region, then there will be a terminator. So this must be the arrangement in a eukaryote if the lac-operon was present in a eukaryote. Are you understanding? So what happens if the eukaryote want to produce only one enzyme, that is beta-galactosidase? It can start its transcription from here and it will be terminating here. And if it is want to second enzyme, that is permease, it will be having this much mRNA and it will be having these 3 much mRNA. So what will happen in this eukaryote? This one will be acting as a gene, this one will be acting as a gene, and this one will be acting as a gene there. So this type of arrangement, you can see this gene will be having only one cistrone. So we will be calling it as a monocistronic arrangement. This is known as a monocistronic arrangement here. So in which type of organism you can see the monocistronic arrangement? You have to see the monocistronic arrangement that is seen in a eukaryotic organism for to save some energy. And when it is coming to some prokaryotic organism, every enzymes are arranged in a direct sequence without any interventions there, so that prokaryotic organism cannot produce a single protein from itself. If how to produce a single protein, it have to produce every protein together. So please keep in mind which type of arrangement is advantageous. monocystronic or polycystronic? Definitely the monocystronic is having some advantages. So the monocystronic arrangement is seen in higher organism, that is in the eukaryotic organism. Polycystronic is having disadvantage, so it will be present only in the prokaryotic organism. So before we are winding up, let's write down this thing also there. What is that thing? Monocystronic and polycystronic. You have to understand the monocystronic, one gene will be having only one cystron, that's why it is known as monocystronic. And what is polycystronic? One gene will have many cystrons. So what will happen? Tell me that if that organism want to produce only one protein, where it is possible, here it can produce a single protein. And when it is coming to the polycystronic arrangement, it cannot produce a single protein. So how the proteins are produced? The proteins are produced in a group. Only a group of proteins are produced. So what will happen? There will be energy misuse will be there. Energy misuse will be occurring. So that's why the polycystronic arrangement is having disadvantage. So which one will, where it will be present? You can see that monocystronic, it will be present in eukaryotic arrangement, because this is evolutionarily superior, and this one will be present in only in the prokaryotic cell. So from this discussion, I hope you have understood that what is gene, what is cystron, what is polycystronic arrangement, and what is monocystronic arrangement. And I will be solving every one of your doubts. If you are having any doubts, please feel free to comment below in the comment box, and I will be posting more videos related to every topics. Suggest more topics to discuss here in my YouTube channel. What you have to do? You have to follow my channel, watch my videos, subscribe it, and don't forget to click the bell button. Thank you. We'll meet you with another video.